The 2021 KTM 890 Duke has been globally unveiled. The new 890 Duke will be a replacement to the old Duke 790 KTM, which has been discontinued post the arrival of the stricter Euro 5 emissions. The new KTM 890 Duke will be positioned below its more powerful 890R variant. It will, however, borrow the same chassis, engine and body panels as it is a more powerful variant. The new Duke 890 carries forward the same design and styling as its predecessor. This includes the same LED headlamps, LED taillights, fuel tank design, seats and others. The only differentiating factor between the 2021 KTM Duke 890 and its predecessor is the new paint scheme with the new body graphics. The new 890 Duke now comes in two colors, black and orange. The motorcycle also comes with a blacked out frame instead of the orange seen on other KTM models. The new 2021 KTM 890 Duke also weighs in at the same 169 kilograms as the 790 Duke. However, the seat height on the Duke 890 is 5 mm lower than on its predecessor, which provides better accessibility. Powering the 2021 KTM 890 Duke is the same 889cc parallel twin liquid-cooled engine which is on the 890R. The engine on the standard version, however, has been slightly detuned, now producing 115 brake horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 92 Nm of peak torque at 8,000 RPM. It is paired with the same 6-speed gearbox and comes with a 2-way quick shifter as standard. Apart from this, the 2021 KTM 890 Duke features a host of other electronic rider aids as well. This includes a 6D lean angle sensor with IMU assist, 9-stage traction control and multiple ride modes, rain, street and sport among others. The KTM 890 Duke, once introduced in the global markets, will take on the likes of the Triumph, Street Triple R and the Ducati Monster. The KTM 890 Duke is expected to enter the Indian market sometime by late 2021. However, KTM is yet to officially announce the same. Once introduced in India, the new 890 Duke will replace the 790 Duke in the brand's lineup. Prices for the 2021 KTM Duke 890 in India will be in the Rs 9 lakh ex-showroom range. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.